Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in Offshore Life. So we are back again here in the North Sea, resuming our offshore operation, subsea operation or subsea installation here in the west of Shetland on the UK sector. So yan po ay after some kind of a port call or mobilization and demobilization that we have. So we are back here again in the oil field that we're gonna be working. So makikita po ninyo ay nasa DP operator station na po tayo niyan ngayon, and we are referring something to one of the operators manual or operations manual that we have to check, and from time to time we are the one who is doing the jotting down or recording of the important details or information that we had to record it on our deck logbook. So yan po isa sa mga trabaho natin, and we are responsible for the station keeping while we are sitting on the DP operator station. So yan po, marami po tayong mga binabantayan dyan, especially when a vessel is on DP. So we had a lot of things that we had to look, a lot of equipment that we had to monitor, especially the weather, because weather is one of the factor that affects our operations, especially here in the North Sea, and very important po yan, especially working in a harsh environment here in the North Sea. So yan po, isa rin sa mga trabaho natin is to record some kind of information or updating on the computer and mga office work. Yan po.